what is the definition of alternatives to the common client, investor out there?
Yeah, it's a great question. Basically, it means everything that's not a traditional investment. So it can mean everything from crypto to private equity to hedge funds, private credit, venture capital.
Yeah.
It's a huge space.
I want to start with that because I do think that people get real confused by that. Why would pending the portfolio and all the factors, why would someone want to be restricted to a lower amount? Say 10 or 20% of their portfolio is all that's going into alternatives. Like, why is that?
There's a lot of risk embedded in alternatives that doesn't necessarily show up in price. So academics tend to measure risk based on price volatility.
Yeah.
And, that works in a public market. And so what the industry has done, and it's laughable when you think about it from the right perspective, is they've said, hey, alternatives aren't as risky because they aren't as volatile as these other securities that price on a daily basis. And if you really understand alternatives, you understand the managers are able to mark their portfolio on a monthly or quarterly basis based on what they think is the right mark.
Yeah, because it isn't a day-to-day easy. Here's the S&P 500, what it's doing right now.
And so you'll find a lot of folks who are maybe not the most outstanding citizens in the financial space.
What a politically correct way to say that.
will pitch you on alternatives as being a lower risk asset class, as a place that you should be putting your money.
And your message is be careful.
Be careful, right? Because often there's more leverage.
Yeah.
There's definitely higher fees. And because they're not telling you what the price is, doesn't mean the price isn't moving.
Totally.